Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the daily candle here, it finished after that major pump what happened yesterday. So now what should you do? Did the Bitcoin is going to continue upward or is going to fall down? To know exactly where is the Bitcoin is going to go, make sure to watch the video from the start till the end and don't try to skip any part of it. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to hit a bell, turn it to all, so like this when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we kill it exactly, guys. What the word man, we kill it, that's what we do in there. Also, we enter in the Bitcoin from down here till the top here. We enter in the Ethereum. We enter in Bitcoin Cash. We enter in the link. All those ones, they bring in for us profit. Some people, they making more than 100% profit within one day. Even you can benefit from those things. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family, guys. So guys, as you see, after yesterday, us we being here down, we enter along from down here. It's hitting the first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, and the fourth take profit only here in the Bitcoin. The Ethereum we are going to hit. Now here in the Bitcoin in the daily, what should we do? If you remember what me have been telling you down here, let me show you those things. I've been telling you when we touch the 50 moving average, me I buy some Bitcoin. People in my Telegram and my Discord, I tell that to them. That in the spot, not day trading or scalping and those things. But in scalping is another story. We enter based on 30 minutes. Look what it done the Bitcoin today, guys. You see it or no? Look at it in front of your eyes. The Bitcoin today, if we zoom in here and we see it here, look with me here by your own eyes. The Bitcoin, it's breaking the 200 moving average and the 100 moving average, guys. You see it or no? Now what's going to happen here? Now we need to wait in today candle to finish. Why? Because that candle here is just Monday candle and it happened a big portion from the top, guys. Now either today candle is going to finish a green candle and that is going to tell us there is more bulls, because that move will happen in here. It's just about a fake news who came about the ETF. Twitter, it's being full and spreaded by it. That's why us we enter that long and we catching very nice profit from that move. You can ask people they are with us. And another thing, that's what our analysis, if you go back and watching everything we're telling you, we got here the downtrend here. That's what us we said. We said it's breaking here. We told it to move up. It fell down to test here. It need to go back up to break for us that last high which is here. At this time there is no entry long, guys. By the way, people they are with me for some time, they know me where I buy exactly. I buy from here, I buy from here, I buy from here, I buy from here, and I buy from here. At this time there is no buying. Now you are in the top, there is no one buying from the top. Forget about what other people they telling you. In the top we taking profit, we don't buy from the top. Always buying is it the deep and selling the high. Remember those things, guys. Now what is going to happen? We don't know exactly. Maybe we're going to see another dump from here and we see the Bitcoin fall down to the 25k again, or another scenario, Bitcoin it will go up and to break for us that 31k here. So here in the daily there is nothing clear, guys. In lower time frames we're going to show you more clear picture than here in the daily. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news of today, guys. The coming news of today, guys, we got very important news today. Very important news, and it might to dump the Bitcoin, or it might is going to push it more higher than where it is now. We got retail sales of USA, guys. That one we need to focus about it. What is going to tell us? Another thing here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. By the way, if you want to watch US stock, we just analyze them in our YouTube channel, in our other YouTube channel. The name of the YouTube channel is Index Insider. Just search for it here in YouTube and you're going to find it. Also, we came here because of our friend, the VIX. Yesterday we used to be 19. Today we are 17, guys. That man, everything's still looking good. And the market, or the fair in the market, it's still very low. So there is nothing to be worried. Also, we're still below in that 20. Even if we move up from 12 to 19, but we haven't break above that 20. That means everything's still looking great. There is nothing to be worried about. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction. Ethereum people, they are in our Telegram, or they are in our VIP Telegram and VIP Discord. Also, we enter a short from here. People, they been with us, they remember that from here till down here. We enter a long when it's breaking the trend line, and I tell you that in the last video. Just go back, watch the video before the that one. When I told you I'm getting ready to enter a long in the Ethereum. Look at it. Here it's breaking. I enter a long here. First take profit of me, it was here. Exactly in that peak here. That the first take profit. Second take profit, it was here. That tell here it hit the first and the second. Now I move the stop loss to here to break even the place where I enter. Now if the Ethereum move upward, tell here, because over here that where I got the fourth take profit. If it move more up, fair enough. If it's not, I don't care, because me I take the first and the second take profit. Now I'm waiting what's going to happen, and me personally I'm thinking the Ethereum is going to continue it upward, guys. So I think everything is too clear, or it might is going to give us here another price action here to confirm for us is going to move more upward. But me now I am risk free. I don't care where it's going to go. That's how us we trading. And by the way, if you want to join us, we don't trade in only the Bitcoin or Ethereum. We trade in Ethereum, the Matic, Blank, ADA or Cardano, a lot of cryptos. You can join us there, where we given daily signals, guys, there, and those signals from professional people, that the job of them. If you want to benefit from those things. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, you remember when us we being down here, we touch it here, we told you we are going to enter long, and I told you something else here. When we breaking down here in that indicator, I told you it's breaking, and I'm waiting the confirmation of you found all those things in the last analysis. I told you I'm waiting the break here, it happened, I enter a long. Look at it. That the power of technical analysis, guys. In front of you say everything here. That the difference between us and other people, because I heard some other people, they go into Twitter and they said they're losing blah 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 blah. Also we give you 100% accurate analysis, guys. Now our indicator, it's not yet touch here the overbought area. So me I'm thinking also we are going to go more higher till we touch in here the overbought area, guys. Now it might is going to fall down to touch here or something, but it's going to go more higher. I think everything is too clear here for Ethereum. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin, what they're doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the Bitcoin price prediction in the 4 hours, guys. Here, you remember people, they been with us just 3 videos ago. We told you the Bitcoin it give you here a triple bottom, guys. I told you when it's going to break, enter along. Me, it's breaking here by that candle here. That one, I enter along. The first take profit, it was here. Exactly here at that place here, as you see it. It's being hit by night before even all that big pump was happening. Then it came second, third, fourth here. All those ones, they being hit, guys. Now what should we do at that time for Bitcoin, guys? There is nothing. I told you, if you remember, watch me, I told you here. If you're watching 2 or 3 videos, by the way, that flag here, it's being thumbnail of one video. You can go back and see it. That flag exactly like that. I told you if it's breaking here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. It go more higher. Look at it. If you bring that stake here and you do it like that, did it bring it or no? it bring exactly the take profit here in the 4 hours, guys. Now at that level where we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. You see it or no? Should we enter short now? This time no, my friend, because we don't got any price action here. The only thing we got here, that big cup and handle here, as you see it, that one, and that one it's breaking for you the neckline of that cup and handle here. You see it or no? That one to know exactly the take profit of it, it bring it exactly here by that tail. Me personally thinking the Bitcoin is going to go back till the top here, then from there we're going to see if we're going to drop or not. At this time here in the 4 hours we don't got nothing, so we need to wait in the Bitcoin to give us price action like how it happened down here. Now here there is nothing, so also we need to wait until we got a clear picture, guys. As a Btc new passion is always the key of success. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator to see the clear picture. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here the overbought area. Remember when we are down here, people they been with us, they remember those things, and they remember when I told you that the trend line of the flag it's getting broke here in the last video. I told you it's breaking. Now we need confirmation in the chart. It's breaking in the chart, then it happened the big pump ever you will see. Look at it now, it's enter here to overbought area. You see it or no? Should we enter short? Because people they are with me, they know me. When it's enter here we need to enter short. We need to wait in a price action, guys. At this time we don't got a price action, so it's too dangerous now to go against the market. Now we need to wait until we got a clear picture, and also we're going to enter, because me I care about your money like how they are my money. I know some other people they are going to give you to enter short from levels and those things, but me I'm not my type of trading, and I respect the type of trading of anyone. You, if is it your type of trading, good luck for you. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now is going to see our other indicator where it's in. The one here, it enter here to overbought area level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should you enter short? As I've been telling you, you need to wait in a price action here. If there is no price action, there is no entry. Like how it give us down here the triple bottom, that way also we enter along. At this time we don't got nothing, so also we still waiting till the market give us here a price action, guys. Even in the smaller time frames we're going to enter based on that, but at this time there is nothing, so also we still waiting. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see in 30 minutes what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for smaller time frames. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes we got another picture, guys. Here in 30 minutes you got a head and shoulder. You see it or no? That the head and shoulder, the neckline is it here. Look with me how I'm going to draw it. That the head and shoulder, guys. If it's breaking here, I'm going to enter a short. Remember my word. If it's breaking here, I'm going to enter a short, guys. It's our indicator. What it's saying, guys? Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to overbought area. Should we enter short? I just tell you, if it's breaking that neckline of that head and shoulder, we are going to enter a short. To see it very clear head and shoulder, you came like that, you do it like that. You see it or no now? Look with me here. Over here, that the first shoulder, that the head, and that the second shoulder, guys. You see it or no? And that the neckline. And it's very close to break down. If it's breaking us, we are going to enter a short. Everything is too clear, guys? That's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.